Welcome to Miss Grammar Channel.
Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Miss Grammar. I'm Luna.
And I'm Alex. Today's lesson is super helpful. We're going to finally understand how to use have been, has been, and had been in daily English.
Oh, yes. These three confuse so many learners.
But not after today. By the end of this video, you'll speak confidently using them, just like native speakers.
And don't forget to
Share
and subscribe for more English learning.
with Luna and Alex.
So, Alex, why do so many people find have been, has been, and had been so tricky?
Good question. I think it's because they all look similar. They all come from the verb to be and use the helping verbs have, has, or had.
Exactly. But each one tells us something different about time, whether something is still happening or finished in the past.
So let's break it down step by step.
We'll look at examples, short dialogues, common mistakes.
And by the end, you'll never mix them up again.
Let's start with have been. Present perfect. We use have been when we're talking about something that started in the past and continues now, or something we've experienced in our life.
That's right. It connects the past with the present. Examples. 1. I have been a teacher for 5 years. It started 5 years ago, and I'm still a teacher now. 2. We have been friends since childhood. We became friends in the past, and we're still friends now. 3. They have been working here since 2020. They started in 2020 and are still working.
We also use have been for life experiences, things you've done at least once in your life. Examples. 4. I have been to Japan. I visited Japan sometime before now. 5. They have been to that restaurant before.
Oh, I like that one. So, Luna, if I say, I have been to Paris, it means I went there once. Maybe last year. And I might go again.
Exactly. You're not saying when you went, only that it happened before now.
Now, has been. Present perfect.
Has been is just like have been.
But we use it with he, she, it, or a singular noun. Examples. 1. She has been sick for 2 days. 2. He has been very busy lately. 3. It has been raining all day.
Ugh, rain all day? That sounds like London.
Ha ha ha. Yes. But look. In each example, the action started in the past and it's still happening.
Right. She is still sick. He is still busy. And it is still raining.
We can also use has been for experiences. Example 1. She has been to the new mall. 2. He has been to that movie before.
So simple. Just remember the subject. He, she, it has been. Now comes the interesting one. Had been, past perfect.
Ah, yes. Had been is used to talk about something that happened before another past action. Examples. 1. I had been a teacher before I moved to Canada. I was a teacher. Then, I moved to Canada. 2. She had been working at the company for 10 years before she quit. She worked there for 10 years, then she left. 3. They had been waiting for an hour when the bus finally arrived.
Oh, that's a good one. So they started waiting in the past, waited for a while, and then the bus came.
Exactly. Had been always shows what was happening before something else in the past.
Use have, has been for the present perfect, and had been for past perfect.
Simple rule. Have has equals still true now. Had equals finished before something else.
Time to practice. Everyone, repeat after us. Practice 1. Have been.
I have been very tired lately.
Repeat. I have been very tired lately.
They have been studying for their exams.
Repeat. They have been studying for their exams.
We have been waiting for you.
Repeat. We have been waiting for you.
Practice 2. Has been.
She has been learning English for 2 years.
Repeat. She has been learning English for 2 years.
It has been a long day.
Repeat. It has been a long day.
He has been cooking dinner since 6 p.m.
Repeat. He has been cooking dinner since 6 p.m.
Practice 3. Had been.
I had been working all day before I took a break.
Repeat. I had been working all day before I took a break.
She had been feeling sad before she met her new friend.
Repeat. She had been feeling sad before she met her new friend.
They had been living in Delhi before they moved to Mumbai.
Repeat. They had been living in Delhi before they moved to Mumbai. Nice job, everyone. Your pronunciation is getting better every time.
Oh, that's great. And remember, try to imagine the situation when you repeat. It helps your brain connect the grammar with real life.
Mini dialogue practice. Real-life situations.
1. On work.
Hey, Alex, you look tired.
Yeah, I have been working all night.
Oh, wow. Take some rest.
2. On weather.
It has been raining all week.
I know. My umbrella has been my best friend lately. 3. On past story.
Did you know Emily quit her job?
Really? She had been planning that for months. 4. On travel.
I have been to Paris twice.
Nice. I had been dreaming of going there before COVID.
You'll get there soon, Alex. Don't worry.
Common mistakes. Now, let's look at some common mistakes English learners make with have been, has been, and had been.
Mistake 1. Using have been with wrong subject.
Wrong. He have been studying all day. Correct. He has been studying all day. Remember, he, she, it has been. Mistake 2. Mixing tenses.
Wrong. I had been waiting for you since 2 hours. Correct. I had been waiting for you for 2 hours.
Oh yes, we say for 2 hours, not since 2 hours. Use since for a starting point, since Monday, and for a duration, for 2 hours.
Mistake 3. Forgetting the been. Wrong. I have working here since 2021.
Correct. I have been working here since 2021. Never forget been. It connects have, has, had with the main verb.
Mistake 4. Using had been instead of have been.
Wrong. I had been learning English for 2 years, if you still are learning. Correct. I have been learning English for 2 years. Had been is for a past situation that ended. Have been means it's still true now.
Mistake 5. Using time words incorrectly. Wrong. I have been there yesterday. Correct. I went there yesterday.
Aha. Because if you mention a specific time, yesterday, last year, in 2010, you must use past simple, not have been.
Let's do a quick recap of everything we learned today.
Have been. I, you, we, they, present perfect. Action started in past and continues now. Has been, he, she, it, present perfect, same meaning, different subject. Had been. All subjects. Past perfect. Something true before another past action.
Examples. I have been learning English since 2022. She has been working hard this week. They had been waiting before the concert began.
And don't forget the little words. For plus duration, since plus starting time. Like I have been here for 2 hours. I have been here since 8 o'clock.
Okay, everyone, your turn. Write 3 sentences in the comments below.
One with have been. One with has been. One with had been. We'll read your sentences and reply to some of them in the next video.
And remember, the more you use it, the faster it becomes natural. Practice makes perfect.
Wow, that was a great lesson today.
Yes, you all did amazing. Keep learning and smiling.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning with Luna and Alex.